3 killed in Jamaica, 4 deaths in Haiti and Dominican Republic before Hurricane Melissa, the world's strongest storm this year, has even landed. Now it has intensified into a Category 5 storm as it draws closer to Jamaica, where forecasters say it will unleash catastrophic flooding, landslides and widespread damage. Now Jamaican Prime Minister Andrew Holness warned on October 27th that if the Category 5 storm was to hit with full force, then I don't believe there is any infrastructure within this region that could withstand a Category 5 storm. So there could be significant dislocation. Now at that strength, it would be the strongest hurricane to hit the island since record keeping began in 1851, blamed for 7 deaths in the Northern Caribbean as it headed towards the island with wind speeds of up to 175 miles per hour. Hurricane Melissa is a Category 5 storm, which is the maximum strength. In Jamaica, authorities imposed mandatory evacuations for parts of the southern coast, including Port Royal, and activated emergency funding of at least $33 million. Now, Melissa was on track to make landfall on October 28th in Jamaica before coming ashore in Cuba later in the day and then heading towards the Bahamas. Late on October 27th, Melissa was located roughly 200 km south-southwest of Kingston, moving slowly westward at about 5 km per hour, a sluggish pace that forecasters warn will amplify rainfall and prolong destructive winds over Jamaica and neighboring islands. Now, a slow-moving storm is expected to linger more, inundating the island and buffeting it with winds. Experts have also noted that Jamaica's mountains is likely to make Hurricane Melissa even more potent than it already is. That's because water rushing downhill is unpredictable. Experts say that Melissa's slow pace may mean prolonged torrential rain, in some areas increasing the risk of deadly flooding and landslides. The system has already lashed parts of Haiti and Dominican Republic, leaving several dead and thousands displaced. Met experts say storms like Melissa are emblematic of a warming world. Ocean temperatures in the relevant zone are about 2 to 3 degrees above average, creating a vast reservoir of energy for hurricane intensification.